Mga kaganapan sa ating himpilan, ihahatid sa inyo. #PalaNews.
Samantala, may isa pa pong live awarding tayo ngayon mula sa
Global Trends Business Leaders Awards 2025.
Siyempre, yan po ay sa pangunguna nina
Events Producer Miss Benilyn Amigo Molina and PMPC President 2024 Mr. Rodel Fernando.
Again, this award is given to Attorney Persida V. Rueda Acosta, Chief Public Attorney, Public Attorney's Office. Remarkable achievement and commitment to the local legal industry.
Congratulations po, Chief!
Congratulations, Chief. Long time no see po.
Masyadong busy tayo eh. Namiss ka na namin.
Global Trends Business Leaders Awards 2025, Attorney Persida V. Rueda Acosta, Chief Public Attorney, Public Attorney's Office, PAO. Exceptional achievement and commitment to the local legal industry. Yan.
Ay
Congratulations.
po, salamat! Mabuhay po kayo. Mabuhay po si Ma'am Benilyn Molina. At siyempre, ang ating kasama, si Carodel.
Yes, mabuhay po, Chief Acosta.
Yeah!
Yes.
Once again, congratulations po, Chief!